Good morning students, class 10. In this video we are going to solve the question number 2 of exercise 7.2. This is exercise 7.2. Exercise 7.2 question number 2. Very important question based on again the concept of section formula. Find the coordinates of the point of the trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. So students, the question says if we have a line segment, the points, if I say A is 4, -1 and B is -2, B point have coordinates -2, -3, and this line is trisection of the line segment. So trisection means equally divided into 3 parts. So 3 parts means the first part, this is the second part, and this is the third part. 3 equal parts. Now but we have the ratio only M1 is to M2. So now what we'll do, this is the 1, 1 and 1, again the 3 equal parts. So that means first of all we take the ratio as, suppose this is P, X, Y divides it, this is 1 is to, then 1 plus 1 we get 2. So that is the ratio will be 1 is to 2. If I took here, again we have next one, same. If I took Q here, so if I point here Q and we have X comma Y, then the trisection will be like this, the ratio will be like this. This is 1, 1, 1. So you combine these two, we get 2 is to 1. So Q divides it in the ratio 2 is to 1, but P divides it in the ratio 1 is to 2. AP is 1, PB is 2. But if I take AQ, it will be 2 and BQ, it will be 1. So therefore there are 2 cases. So let us start the solution part. Let we have a AB is this, we have case first. For case first we have ratio M1 is to M2, that is 1 is to 2, that is AP upon PB. AP upon PB is 1 is to 2, that is 1 ratio 2. So A, we have the coordinates of A is 4, -1 and the coordinates of B is -2, -3. So therefore we have x1 equal to 4, x2 equal to -2, y1 equal to -1 and y2 equal to -3. So let us move further. We apply the section formula here. Using section formula, we are taking the case number first, when PXY divides in the ratio, PXY is the point which divides AB in the ratio 1 is to 2. Remember this thing, using section formula to find the value of this X. So X is equal to, again the formula is M1 X2 plus M2 X1 upon M1 plus M2. So we put the values. M1 is, what is our M1? That is 1. 1 is to X2. So X2 is -2 plus M2 is 2 and X1 is 4 upon M1 plus M2, that is 1 plus 2. So we will get the value of X as -2 plus 8 upon 3. So that is -2 upon 8, that is 6 upon 3. So value of X is 2. Now let us find the value of Y. So again the section formula says M1 replacing X2 by Y2 and X by Y1. So again in the denominator it is M1 M2. So let us put the values. What value will put? M1 is again 1 into Y2. So Y2 is your -3 plus 2 into, this is into -1 upon 1 plus 2. So that will become -3 -2 upon 3, that is -5 upon 3. -5 upon 3. So y is -5 upon 3. So let us, the points we get as x equal to 2 and y equal to minus pi by 3. Therefore, the required point P is 2 comma minus pi upon 3. This is the point when it divides the ratio by m1 m2 is 1 is to 2, that is P 2 comma minus pi by 3. So this is P 2 comma minus pi by 3. So far for the next case. So for next case number 2, I repeat, for case number 2, what you will do? For case number 2, second case. Let us start second case. Now this time m1 is to m2 is, this is 2 is to 1, because now the point is q. So q, this is qxy, which divides the ratio in the ratio 2 is to 1. So what is your points? Again we have x1 same, that is 4, x2 same, that is minus 2, y1 is yours 1 minus 1, and y2 is your minus 3. Again you will put the values of x and y using section formula. You get the value of this q, x and y. You will try yourself. I repeat, I will write here, try case second yourself.